Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
I will show you how to remove an Android virus step by step. Start by backing up your photos, contacts, and messages to cloud storage. Ensure the backup size is under 15 GB to avoid unexpected upload fees. Then reboot into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from running. On most devices, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Then long press power off and tap safe mode to confirm and boot. Open settings and review apps or apps and notifications for suspicious entries. Sort by install date and check apps installed within the last 7 days. Uninstall unknown or untrusted apps. Force stop apps that cannot be removed. Install a reputable antivirus from Play Store and run a full scan for 5 to 10 minutes. If malware persists, clear app data or uninstall updates for Google Play services. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after confirming your backup is complete. If infections survive, connect your device to a PC and enable USB debugging. Use Android debug bridge commands to list and remove suspicious packages as needed. Alternatively, boot into recovery and apply a factory reset or full system wipe. After reset, reinstall apps only from Play Store and avoid sideloading unknown APKs. Change all passwords and enable two-factor authentication for accounts accessed on device. Keep Android updated to the latest security patch and monitor battery use for anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.